this is what it looks like. He's looking for bugs. He's looking for bugs. You know they eat bugs. He's looking for bugs. He has cream. I'm just gonna have a little taste. Okay. All right, well that was our first try. Our first try. Do you like it? Yeah. Does it make you happy? It says color me happy. It sure is colorful. Look at your friends and tell them, all clean, all clean. So this is our butterfly we used with our tiger lily, and we just added some flowers at the bottom. It was super fun. And it is so hot out here. It makes me want to talk in my southern accent. Right? It's hotter than the 4th of July. I'm gonna need my fan, honey. All right, we're back. Here's our finished product of Dab Dab the Duck. Are you ready to see it? We wrote happy because it makes us very happy. All right, there we go. Today is the Boone and Ketch cooking show. What do you think? Oh, the messy chef is back. Look. Do you like your gorilla? Is that fun? Does it make you happy? It makes me happy. I'm happy if you're happy. Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. Oh. They've got soft beaks. It doesn't actually hurt.
Oh, there's. All right, we're gonna make the icing glaze for our cake. So when it comes out of the oven, it'll be all ready. And our lasagna is ready. What do you think? It's beautiful. It's gonna be yummy. Are you excited to try it? Yeah. All right, I think that's it. What do you think? What do you think? Does that look yummy? You ready to try it? What do you think? Is that yummy? Is that yummy? You think that looks yummy? All right, we're all finished with our snowman bean art. How'd it turn out? Does it have your approval? Yeah, it looks good. There we go. What do you think? Are you happy? Are you happy with this? Me too. Me too. We can't get the hairdresser in our video because she's like hairdresser to the stars. She's famous. Right? All right. We're home sweet home. Ready to go shampoo your hair? We're gonna go have a spa shampoo with tea tree. We're gonna make you all tingly. Smell minty and spa-like. Yes, he's like, yes, he's ready. But I brought you a balloon today. It says, you're number one. Because you're number one. You're awesome. And I love you. You're my number one sidekick. All right, so here it is. You don't even have to water it. You don't have to put it in the sun. You can put it anywhere you want. It turned out really cute. He's really looking. He's like, what is happening? What is happening to me? He's saying hi. He says hi. So sleepy. Zoom in. They're gonna see that you're so sleepy. They're gonna see you sleepy. So relaxing. They're probably feeling relaxed too. Look how relaxed Boone is. It's the relaxing art project. We're waking up. Are we waking up? It's rainy outside. It's getting chilly outside. We love it. It's fall. Are you trying to go to sleep? We're making icing. I'm gonna give you this sugar. You'll wake right up. Hobby or craft paint, like a clear glaze or varnish. I really like it super glossy. Are you yawning? Was this relaxing? We're waking up. Are we waking up? We're still waking up. We're both. It's dark and cloudy outside. We just want to be cozy in our beds. No, and now we're gonna do some relaxing art. Oh, his paws are going, hey, hey. Good morning. Good morning. What's up? I'm Ketch. Water and applesauce and eggs. And what else? Vanilla. I'll give you the sugar and wake you right up. You have to stay awake. We're gonna have cake. We're gonna have cake for breakfast. Cake for breakfast. It's the best day ever. It's the best day ever. We gotta get back. What do you think? Is he gonna fix my hair? You think he's gonna fix my hair? He's thinking about it. He wants to give me his hairstyle. What do you think, Jimmy?